Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be another 5-part beginner combo series. So in this series, I go over different combos that we're going to connect together all at the end for one long combo. During the series, feel free to learn just any part of this, or if you find that you want to go into different moves on any part of these videos, it truly is up to you. These videos are just to help you find different ways to go in and out of moves. But first off, if you are new here, my name is Kate, also known as Hoop with Kate on literally everything. I teach beginner and intermediate hoopers how to expand on their flow. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please be sure to subscribe down below. Like this video, leave a comment, share it with a friend. It just helps us grow the community even bigger together. All right, so this is gonna be part 1 of the 5-part series, and this combo is gonna look something like this. All right, so let's break that down. So we're gonna start off this move in a handspin. So that part of the move is gonna look something like this. You're gonna take your hoop out in your dominant hand and you're going to have your grip on the outside of the hoop. To do a handspin, you're just going to flick your hand forward. You're just going to flick your hand forward, and as your palm is facing down, you're gonna open up your hand and you're gonna re-grip the hoop once it spins around your fingers. So some tips to get this nice and clean is having a nice wind up before you flick your hand down. It's gonna give the hoop some momentum to spin around your hand. When you release the hoop, you're just going to extend your fingers out so that your hoop has a nice axis to spin around. Once you release, you're going to immediately bring your hand back in the starting position to re-grip the hoop. So once you get that down, we're going to go into a forward weave. When you catch the hoop, you're gonna be in that starting position. So to go into that forward weave, you're just going to twist your hand towards the back. So your thumb is facing up here. Now you're just gonna make it face down. We're gonna go into a forward weave. So bring the hoop down in front of you. Now we're gonna bring it back up, and then we're gonna let it drop down behind us and bring it back up right here. So now your grip is going to be on the inside of the hoop and your palm is gonna be facing towards the back. So we dropped it down, up, drop it down behind you, up. If you're still learning weaves, make sure that you have a loose grip on the hoop, and as the hoop is dropping down, kind of let the momentum of the hoop guide the weave. So let the weight drop down as it swings back up. You're just going to let the hoop swing back up, and then as it drops down again, you're just going to drop it down behind you and then bring it back up again. You're in the handspin. We're gonna go into a forward weave. So we're here, twist your hand down, bring it down in front, bring it up, bring it down behind you, and bring it back up. Now we're going to go into a no beat weave, and that's gonna look something like this. So we're in this position right here. We're just gonna swing the hoop over to our opposite side, down in front of us, and we're going to go into kind of like a chest roll. So you're going to rock the hoop up, so loosen up your grip on the hoop. You're gonna rock the hoop up. You're going to release the hoop, and as the hoop is being released, go into a roll. You're gonna create a platform from the opposite side of your body back over to your dominant side. So you're gonna always have your hand in this position right here where you have a nice flat surface, and you're gonna point your fingers up and create a surface for the hoop to travel across. So we're gonna rock the hoop up. Once the hoop is about to hit your forearm, you're just going to open up your hand and you're going to create a surface and bring your hand all the way behind you. So again, we're gonna rock it up, open, and bring the hoop all the way behind. Once the hoop is all the way behind, you're just going to re-grip the hoop, and your palm is gonna be facing towards the back. So reach behind you, grip, and catch. So let's take that from the beginning. We're gonna go into our hand spin, twist our hand down to go into that forward weave, bring it down in front, down behind, swing it all the way behind you. We're gonna rock the hoop up, bring the hoop back, and catch behind us. Now we're going to go into an under the leg tracing. So you're just going to bring the hoop down in front of you, and as you're bringing the hoop down, you're gonna lift up your opposite leg. So we're gonna bring it down and here. You're gonna take your opposite hand and you're gonna grab the hoop. You're gonna start to trace the hoop with your opposite hand, and as you're doing this, you're going to flip the hoop forward. So we were here, we're gonna bring it underneath, grip. You're going to trace with your opposite hand, and with your dominant hand, just flip the hoop forward. So now we're here, just finish your ghost, and then you're gonna bring the hoop out and release it from underneath your leg. So going from that no beat weave, we're just going to catch behind, bring it down underneath our leg, grab the hoop with our opposite hand, trace with your opposite hand, flip the hoop forward, keep tracing. Now bring it out to your dominant side. Now we're gonna go into a K-roll, and we're going to bring the hoop up. We're gonna drop the hoop and aim towards our chest. And we're going to take our opposite hand. We're gonna put it out in front of us, not parallel to the ground, but a little bit at an angle. So you're kind of making a K shape with your body. And you're going to release the hoop and catch. So again, we were here from the no beat weave. We're gonna bring it underneath our leg, do the trace, release, bring it up and over to our opposite side, extend your arm out, aim towards your chest, and catch with your opposite hand. From here, we're gonna go into another forward weave, into a toss, and we're just gonna drop the hoop down behind us, bring it up and forward in front of us, and here we're just going to go into a toss. So extend your dominant hand out, and you're going to do a toss underneath that dominant hand. So as you're completing the weave, you're gonna swing the hoop down and underneath your dominant hand. You're gonna toss the hoop underneath and bring it back over to your opposite side. So it's gonna look something like this. And you're gonna catch with your dominant hand. When you're releasing the hoop, kind of imagine that you're gonna create a rainbow in this direction. So in order to get the hoop over to our opposite side, you're just going to kind of angle the hoop and bring it over to our opposite side. So we're here, over and catch. And you'll end in this position right here. All right, so let's go over that one more time. Start the move out with a hand spin. Flick the hoop forward. You're gonna release and catch. You're gonna twist your hand so that your thumb is facing down. Drop the hoop down in front of you. Bring it back up. Let it drop behind you. And you're going to let the hoop swing all the way down and across your body over to our opposite side. We're gonna go into a no beat weave. So rock the hoop up. You're gonna release and bring your hand all the way behind you and catch all the way behind. From here, we're going to bring the hoop down and underneath our leg. We're going to grab the hoop with our opposite hand, trace the hoop with the opposite hand, flip the hoop out in front, and you're going to continue tracing and then bring it outside and release from underneath your leg. Bring the hoop all the way up. You're gonna go into a K-roll, extend your hand out at an angle, point the hoop over to your chest and release and catch. Now we're gonna drop the hoop down for another forward weave, down behind us, down in front of us, extend your opposite hand out. You're going to toss, release, and catch. So the move in its entirety is gonna look like this. All right, Hoopers, so that is part one of this 5-part series. Be sure to share this video with a friend, leave a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. All right, I will see you for part 2. Happy hooping.